people. Canada, stop sending taxpayers' money to Ethiopia to kill innocent people. Stop helping dictator. Stop helping the dictator. Our taxpayers' money. Our taxpayers' money is going to Ethiopia to kill innocent people. To kill innocent people. No justice in Ethiopia. No justice in Oromia. No justice in Oromia. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. Abiy Ahmed, a Nobel Peace Prize winner, is a murderer. He's a killer. He doesn't deserve Nobel Peace Prize. He doesn't deserve Nobel Peace Prize. Abiy Ahmed is a killer. Abiy Ahmed is a murderer. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. Abiy Ahmed is a killer. Abiy Ahmed is a murderer. Abiy Ahmed is a killer. Abiy Ahmed is a liar. Ethiopian government. Ethiopian government. Stop. Stop killing Oromos. Ethiopian government. Ethiopian government. Stop killing children. Ethiopian government. Ethiopian government. Stop killing women. Ethiopian government. Ethiopian government. Stop arresting Oromo. Stop killing Oromos. Abiy is a killer. He's a killer. Ethiopian government. Ethiopian government. Ethiopian government. Altoko gadita. Iya. Ethiopian government. Ethiopian government is a killer. He's a killer. Ethiopian government. Ethiopian government is a dictator. He's a dictator. Ethiopian government. Ethiopian government is killing Oromos. Ethiopian government. Ethiopian government is killing women. Ethiopian government. Shame on you. Ethiopian government. Shame on you. Shame on you. Ethiopian Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed is killing infants. Abiy Ahmed, Ethiopian Prime Minister, is killing 3 months old baby. Shame on you. Shame on you. Abiy. Shame on you. Ethiopian government. Ethiopian government. Shame on you. Shame on you. Stop killing children. Stop killing women. Ethiopian government is a killer. There is no justice in Ethiopia. Ethiopia. Justin Trudeau. Justin Trudeau. Stop. 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 Financing Ethiopian government. Because Ethiopian government is killing our people. Ethiopian government is killing Oromos. Oromoma is not a crime. Ethiopian government is killing innocent people. Canada. Justin Trudeau. Stop. Sending taxpayers' money to Ethiopia. Because your money is killing our people. Because your money is killing innocent people in Ethiopia. Because your money is killing innocent citizens in Ethiopia. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. Who must go? Who must go? Say Abiy. Who must go? Who must go? Who is a liar? Who is a liar? Who is a killer? Who is a murderer? Abiy must go. Abiy must go. Abiy is a killer. Ethiopian government is killing innocent people. Ethiopian government is killing Oromo. Ethiopian government is killing our mothers. Ethiopian government is killing our fathers. Ethiopian government is killing our brothers, our sisters. Ethiopian government is a killer. Abiy Ahmed is a killer. Who is a killer? Who is a killer? Who is a murderer? Who is a murderer? Who is a killer? Who is a killer? Who is a killer? Who is a murderer? Who is a murderer? Who is a liar? Who are we? Who are we? Who are we? What do we need? What do we need? What do we need? What do you need? When? When? Who are you? Who are you? Where are you from? Where are you from? What do you need? What do you need? We need justice. We need freedom. We need justice. Free Oromo. Free Oromia. Free Oromo. Free Oromia. Who is a killer? Who is a killer? Who is a killer? Who is a murderer? Who is a murderer? Who is a liar? Abiy is a killer. Can you shout? Abiy is a killer. Abiy is a killer. Abiy is a murderer. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. We demand justice. We demand freedom. Who is the killer? Who is the liar? demand justice. We need freedom. We demand justice. Canadian taxpayers, Justin Trudeau, stop funding the killer in Ethiopia. Abiy Ahmed, Ethiopian Prime Minister, is the killer. Ethiopian Prime Minister is the murderer. Abiy must resign. Abiy must go. Ethiopian government, stop killing our children. Ethiopian government, stop raping women. Ethiopian government, stop arresting Oromo young children. Ethiopian government is a killer. Ethiopian government is a murderer. Abiy must go. Abiy must resign. We demand justice. We need freedom. Oromia shall be free. Oromia shall be free. Oromia shall be free. Oromo needs justice. Oromo needs justice. Oromo mother in Ethiopia needs justice. Oromo mother in Ethiopia needs justice. There is no justice in Ethiopia. There is no freedom in Ethiopia. There is no justice in Ethiopia. There is no democracy in Ethiopia. Ethiopian government is a killer. Ethiopian government is a murderer. Abiy Ahmed must go. Abiy Ahmed must resign. Justin Trudeau, Canadian taxpayers, your money is supporting Ethiopian government to kill Oromo. Justin Trudeau, we are asking to stop funding Ethiopian government. Ethiopian government is killing our children. Ethiopian government is killing our women. We are not happy. Ethiopian government is killing our children. We demand justice. We march for freedom. We need freedom. Oromia shall be free. Oromia shall be free. We are Oromo. Who are we? Who are we? Who are we? Where are we from? Where are we from? Who must go? Who must resign? Who must leave? Abiy Ahmed is a killer. Abiy Ahmed must resign. Abiy Ahmed must go. Ethiopian government is a killer. Ethiopian government is a murderer. Abiy Ahmed must resign. Ethiopian government must resign. Abiy must go. Ethiopian government, stop killing our children. Ethiopian government, stop arresting Oromos. Free Oromia. Free Oromia. Free Oromia. Justice for Oromo. Justice for Ajalu Desa. Justice for Oromo prisoners. We need justice. We march for freedom. Oromoma is not a crime. Oromoma is not a crime. Being Oromo is not a crime. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. Abiy is killer. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. Abiy is killing Oromo people. Abiy is killing Oromo people. Abiy must stop killing Oromo people in Ethiopia. No justice in Ethiopia. No justice in Ethiopia. We demand justice. We demand justice. We demand freedom. We demand freedom. No justice. No justice. No justice. No justice in Oromia. No justice in Oromia. No peace in Ethiopia. No justice in Oromia. Abiy must resign. Abiy must resign. Abiy Ahmed, the Nobel Peace Prize winner, is a murderer. Abiy Ahmed, the Nobel Peace Prize winner, is a killer. He doesn't deserve Nobel Peace Prize. He doesn't deserve Nobel Peace Prize. Abiy Ahmed is a killer. Abiy Ahmed is a killer. Abiy Ahmed is a murderer. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. No justice. No justice. No peace. No justice. No peace. No justice. No justice in Oromia. No justice in Oromia. We demand justice. We demand justice. We demand freedom. Free all Oromo political prisoners. Free all Oromo political prisoners. Free Jar Mohammed. Free Jar Mohammed. Free Bakala Garba. Free Bakala Garba. Free Abdi Ragasa. Free Abdi Ragasa. Free Yazo Kabare. Free Yazo Kabare. Free Hamza Borana. Free Hamza Borana. Free all OMN journalists. Free all ONN journalists. Free all ONN journalists. Free all Oromo prisoners. Free all Oromo prisoners. We demand justice. We demand justice. We demand freedom. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. Canada. Canada. Stop. Stop funding the dictator in Ethiopia. Stop funding the dictator in Ethiopia. Abiy Ahmed is a dictator. Abiy Ahmed is a killer. Abiy Ahmed is a killer. Who's a killer? Who's a killer? Who's a murderer? Who's a liar? Who's a liar? Who's a murderer? Stop killing Oromo people! Abiy Ahmed! Stop a dictator. Abiy Ahmed, the Nobel Peace Prize winner, is a killer. Abiy Ahmed, stop killing Oromo people in Ethiopia. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. Abiy must go. Ethiopian Prime Minister. Ethiopian Prime Minister. Abiy Ahmed is a killer. Ethiopian Prime Minister. Abiy Ahmed is dictator. Abiy Ahmed is a killer. Abiy Ahmed is a killer. Abiy Ahmed is dictator. Abiy Ahmed. Abiy Ahmed, Nobel Peace Prize winner, is dictator. Abiy Ahmed. Abiy Ahmed, stop. Stop killing Oromos. Abiy Ahmed. Abiy Ahmed, stop. Stop killing women. Abiy Ahmed. Abiy Ahmed, stop. Stop killing children. In Ethiopia, there is no freedom. In Ethiopia, there is no democracy. There is no freedom. There is no justice. There is no peace. Justice for Hachalu Hundessa. Justice for Hachalu Hundessa. Who killed Hachalu? Who killed Hachalu? Who is killing Oromo? Who is arresting Oromos? Who is killing Oromo women? Who is killing Oromo children? Abiy is a killer. Abiy Ahmed is a killer. Abiy Ahmed is a murderer. Abiy Ahmed